Hello friends, welcome in Python video series. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about operator overloading in Python. As you know, there are multiple operators exist in the mathematics or computer, right? Like you have a plus, you have a minus, asterisk, which does basically multiplication, modulus operator, and many more, right? So let's talk about the operator overloading with respect to plus sign, right? So operator overloading nothing but the you have one operator and that does multiple things, and that's why that is called operator overloading, right? So let's try to understand through a plus operator. So here I am going to use plus operator. So here I'm going to add first of all two numbers, right? Then I'm going to perform inside the print operation. Now I'm specifying two string, right? Hello, and second is the plus, and then again world. So here these two operands are string but operator is plus. Here these two operands are number but operator is plus, right? Let's say I have to list, right? You can have any kind of iterable, whether list, set, or you can say tuple also you can give. So here I'm just taking a list, right? And this is the first list, and again I'm writing plus, and I have a second list, right? Let's see what happens. Now I'm going to run this piece of code, and here you can see first of all, whenever plus operator found these two operands are a number or integer, then adding has performed, right? So 30 plus 10 is 40 as the output. Whenever this plus operator found these two operands are a string, then concatenation has happened. Whenever this plus operator finds both operands are list, then here is the combined list we got, right? So that's how basically plus operator works, right? So this is basically doing the kind of overloading stuff, right? One operator doing the multiple things. But have you ever thought of how plus operator comes to know here addition has to perform, here concatenation, and here merging of two a list has to happen? Because when you press control and if you press enter, and here if you go to the click over here, then here you can see this method underscore add method has been already defined, which basically recognized what operation has to perform, right? Same happens for the list, right? So so every operator has a special meaning in the Python, and that meaning is going to decide by defined method which corresponds to that operator, right? But these are the but just inbuilt basically type or inbuilt data structure, and there we are trying to use plus operator, and for that already Python has defined. What if we have a custom object, then can we do the same thing? Let's say I'm going to define a class. Let's say class name is, let's say, point, okay? And here I'm going to define a constructor, right? And constructor is having let's say two field x and y. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to do self dot x equal to x, and self dot y equals to y. So just I have initialized these two basically a member of this class, right, in this constructor. Now I am going to create two objects. Let's say p1 equals to point, and here I'm going to pass first point is 1 and second is, let's say, 4, and I'm going to create one more object of this class p2, and here at this time I'm going to pass 2 and let's say 6, and let's say in print what I'm doing p1 plus p1 plus p2, right? Is this going to work? Of course not, because here a special meaning of operator is not defined, because this is our own custom class, right? If I try to run, then let's see what happens. Now all those operations previously we were doing, of course that is passed, but here while executing this line of code, right, we are getting an error saying that attribute error, point object has no attribute x, something like this, right? Why so? why this is not working. Basically, okay, sorry guys, here error is something else. So here I was supposed to give equal to sign. If I run now let's see. Now we are getting the correct error, type error, saying that unsupported operand type for plus. So whatever operand type we are specifying p1 and p2, that is not supported by the plus operator. That's the basically error it is showing. Now in our own custom class, we need to define the special meaning for this add uh, operator, right? And for that, what you have to do, you have to define one method, right? And what method you have to define? Let's say a plus method, a method is called add, is already defined by the Python, right? So this method you have to override in your custom class to define your own way to perform the operation. So here I am going to do add, right? So here you can see add method. If you want to do subtraction, then you have a sub method, right? If you want to do multiplication, then for asterisk you have to override multiplication, right? Similarly, you have power, right? The modulus operation you have to do by mod. If you want to do a power operation, then we have a POW, and that prefix with underscore underscore, right? So here we would like to define add method, right? Add method takes two parameters. First is the self and second is the other. So here I am going to return, and here in return I am going to perform the special operation. What operation I want, right? Here I want we have a two object p1 and p2. I want first point to be added. When I do p1 plus p2, then 1 plus 2. Here I want the return as, I want output as something like that, 2 plus, sorry, 1 plus 2 3, sorry, 1 plus 2 3, and second y coordinate should be added with y coordinate, x coordinate should be added with x coordinate. So 4 plus 6 10. I want output something like that. So I am going to define basically here uh, operation which is going to return, basically I will do self dot x plus other dot y, comma, right, uh, self dot y plus other dot y. That's it. Now if I try to run, then this should work perfectly fine. Still it is showing some error. Let's see what's the error. Some indentation error, I think it is showing. Let me check out. So here error, you can say indentation error. So there is indentation error has gone. Now if I run, then here you can see I got output as why it is saying 7. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. I was supposed to do other x, right? Now if I run, then here you can see 1 plus 2 3, and 4 plus 6 10 is returning, right? Now thing is that there are how many operators for that we need to write a customized method, and what would be the name corresponding to those operator. So to know that, what you have to do, you have to go to the Google, and here you have to write method overloading, sorry, not method overloading, but operator overloading in Python, and documentation you can search, right? If you go to the documentation page, then here what I did for underscore underscore add. If you search for this, then we have to override underscore underscore add to perform addition, right? Similarly, if you want to perform, if you want to give us some meaning for your custom object for subtraction, then you have to override underscore underscore sub. For multiplication, mul. Similarly, you have a many XOR you have to define. If you want to, so here you can see lot of things you can go over this documentation, right? So here this documentation has given all those ideas, what method basically you have to override, right? If you want to give the special meaning, or if you want to perform the special operation for your custom object, right? So that's all I wanted to say in this video tutorial, guys. In this video tutorial, we have learned about the operator overloading in Python. Thank you so much, and see you there in the next video.